May I take your order, ma'am?
Yes.
Hi, Sonny. Me and my homosexual child would like to have 2 beef patties on buns.
No, I like beef sausages better.
Do you have beef sausages? I've never heard of beef sausage.
Well, the last time we had those, some gay guy went crazy over it, so he got arrested and we got sued. So we don't have them
That's
anymore.
not good at all. What else do you have? That's good for
anymore.
We have ribs.
You have ribs?
Yep.
Do you like
I don't
ribs?
like ribs.
He doesn't like ribs.
I can see your ribs right now. It makes me nauseous.
Nauseous. Nauseous. What did you say? Nauseous. No.
I meant to say sausage.
What do you want your grabbers, Sonny?
Back in Italy. Not a young boy.
You are a young boy right now. Okay.
Do you have coffee?
Yes.
Mom, you know coffee's not good for you.
I need my coffee.
No,